You can't really see him in the video.
What's he getting? It's gonna give me a gift. It's the naughty or nice list. Oh my gosh, there's people like at the door looking at us. What are we doing?
There is?
Yes, I see you. Presents! I saw presents. Come on, one of those has to be for me. Hi, good girl. Another one. Ah!